Welcome to Siva Sakti's YouTube channel.
I'm sure you've heard the news. Healthy snacks don't have to be boring. Let's dive into some exciting South Indian options. First up, we have the classic idli. These soft, fluffy rice cakes are not just yummy, but also packed with protein, perfect for those little tummies. Next, let's talk about dosa. Think of it as a crispy golden pancake. You can stuff it with veggies or even a bit of cheese. Healthy and delish. How about some sandal? This one's a powerhouse. Made from chickpeas, it's loaded with protein and fiber. Plus, it's so easy to make. And we can't forget about ragi muddy. This finger millet ball is rich in calcium and iron. Great for growing kids. Finally, we have pisaratu. This green gram pancake is both nutritious and tasty. Serve it with some chutney and watch it disappear. So there you have it. 5 super healthy, super tasty South Indian snacks for your little ones. Happy snacking.
Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and select all for regular updates to reach you.